It's the Nykaa Matte to Matte. Any skin tone people can carry this lipstick very well. Like if you just want one nude lipstick for yourself, just get these. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, welcome to my makeup room. And if you are new here, then hello guys, I'm Ankita. I make videos over beauty and style and that sorts of things. So if you're interested in, then please kindly take a second to subscribe to my channel to get more videos like this in the future. So yeah, in today's video I'm gonna show you my top 5 nude lipstick, top 5, yeah, not 10, top 5 nude lipsticks. And this video was requested to me so long ago, like when I just started my YouTube channel. But back then I don't really have much lipsticks, that's why I can't shoot the video. But now, as I have a lot of lipstick with me, in today's video I'm gonna share with you my top 5 nude lipsticks. Now a small disclaimer, in today's video I'm not gonna discuss about nude for deeper skin, nude for fair skin, nude for medium skin, nude for whitish skin. I'm just gonna talk about my favorite nudes, like the nudes that I love, okay? And for your kind information, I have a medium to whitish skin tone with warm undertone. Now I have a mixture of yellow and olive undertone. So the lipstick that I'm going to show to you is flatters extremely well to, with my skin tone. So anybody who have my skin tone can definitely carry all the 5 shades. And actually I have 6 shades, and why I have 6 shades I'm going to tell you that as well. So without any more blabbering, like very long as intro, I know, but now let's get started. And another thing, please let me know that how I'm looking today. Okay. And now, yeah, finally, let's get started, okay? Another small disclaimer that the lipstick that I'm going to show to you have no particular order. So yeah, keep it in your mind, that particular thing. And as I will be going with the lipsticks, I'm gonna tell you how much I use this, how much I love those lipsticks, how often I use these lipsticks, and every sort of details. So yeah, continue watching. So the first lipstick that I have in this list is this one. It's the Calabar Velvet Matte Lipstick, and it's in the shade 58 Bare. Now it's the first lipstick that I bought for myself, like first nude of my life. And it's a very browny, pinky, peachy sort of a nude. Like it has a lot of brown, it has a lot of pink, and also it has a lot of peachiness in there. Perfect nude, gives us soft, smooth, matte finish, kind of velvety matte as per their name. Applied very smoothly, highly pigmented, looks extremely good on me. And on me, like on particularly me, it looks my lips but better. And also I love to use this as a tint, and it works great as well. Not super long lasting, lasts for up to 3 to 4 hours I will say, but you can always reapply this lipstick. Not transfer proof because it's a bullet lipstick, but it's a best affordable budget lipstick, and it gonna look so good on every sort of skin tone. Like trust me, okay? If you are deeper than me, you can also carry this lipstick. Like dusky skin people can carry this lipstick, and I have recommended this particular lipstick to so many of my friends, like so many of my friends, and the ones who purchase this particular lipstick thanks me later. So yeah, you can try this definitely. Like it's a bang on, okay? It's a bang on. Now the second lipstick that I'm gonna talk about was my second nude lipstick purchase. It's the Sugar, and it's a Pout Time Vivid lipstick in the shade 06 Peachy Little Liars. Now it's more pinky than the Bare, like than this. It's more browny, more peachy, and it's more pink. It has it is sort of dusty rose kind of a color with a hint of brown and mauve in there. I love this shade again, and you can carry this in a regular basis. Now anybody who is deeper than me not gonna carry this lipstick really smoothly, but anybody who is lighter than me can definitely carry this lipstick, and it's again so beautiful, and it's a little bit more long lasting than this one, and hill pigmented, again another super pigmented lipstick, bullet lipstick, so it's gonna transfer as well. but you can easily reapply this lipstick. Gonna stay kind of 5 to 6 hours, but it's a pricey one. I think it's cost 699 rupees if I'm not wrong. Yeah, so you can surely check that out, and I will give every lipstick's links in the description box below, like from where you can buy them. Yeah, I will give that link. Let's talk about the third lipstick, and it's the Nykaa Matte to Matte. It's the Nykaa Matte to Last mini liquid lipstick, and I have a full dedicated video over these lippies. I will put the link in the description box below, but you can watch it by clicking just right here as well. It's a beautiful color, okay? It's a very true brown with a hint of peach and with a hint of pink. It has a very nice balance. It's gonna suit medium to wetish skin people really well. Anybody who is deeper than me, not sure, but they can carry this particular lippy with a darker brown lip liner. Yeah, that's for sure. Favorite. Now let's talk about the fourth lipstick that I have, and it's the Wet n Wild Mega Last Liquid Catsuit lipstick. Yeah, it's by Wet n Wild. It's in the shade Give Me Mocha. OMG, the most beautiful shade that I have in my life. The most used nude lipstick of mine. Like whenever I feel confused what to wear, I generally go with this one, and this one never lets me down. The only con of this lipstick is that it dries down really quick in its own tube. So you know, if you buy this lipstick, you have to really finish it quickly. Other than that, it's gonna be dried and you're gonna have a lot of wastage of lipstick. But anyway, it's a very smooth finish. It doesn't go patchy, and anybody, like people with any skin tone, and when I say any, you can mean any, okay? Any skin tone people can carry this lipstick very beautifully, and it's gonna flatter them as well. And I've seen one small thing is that it looks different on different skin tone. Like on me, it looks more pinky, more mauvey brown, but on my sis who is deeper than me, like she has, you know, dusky skin tone with a bit of peach undertone, and on her this looks more brown than peach or pink. And on my D, who is again dusky skin tone, but she has, you know, more yellow undertone, more warm undertone, and this looks more mauve, more pink on her as well. So it looks really different according to your skin tone and also your skin undertone. Must have, like if you just want one nude lipstick for yourself, just get these. This is so beautiful, like hands down so beautiful. But this is not super long lasting. It lasts for 5 to 6 hours, but you can always reapply this lipstick. It's so comfortable to wear. If you are not a liquid lipstick lover, I will still suggest you to go with this one, because this has a very comfortable formula which you can easily carry. Fifth and the last in this particular category, like nude lipstick category, have to be this one. Is the Faces Canada All-Time Pro Matte Lip Crayon. It's in the shade 07 Cashmere. So it's a brown with peach, okay, like it's a peachy brown. I really love this shade. It's very creamy, glide on so easily, you know, has really intense payoff, really suits me. But anybody who is darker than me have to, you know, carry this with a brown lip liner. Anybody who is lighter than me can flatter with this lipstick as well. It looks so beautiful on me. I particularly love to wear this recently. It has only one con, that it feels sticky, and I don't like any lipstick that feels sticky. That's my personal opinion. But if this thing doesn't bother you, then you're gonna have no problem with it. Yeah, so that's the fifth one. Now the list should be ended up here, but I have another one, and I just want to include this in this particular list because I really love this. It's not like my top most favorite, but I love this shade. I love to wear, I love to carry this shade as well. So that's why I'm including this, and it's the Stay Quirky Kiss and Tell Mini Liquid Lipstick, and it's in the shade He's Not Mine. number 10. I hope you can see that. Now it's a very peachy toned color, like it's a peach color with a bit of brown in there. Now it's the lightest color of nude that I can carry, I will say honestly. Like with makeup I can carry this without any lip liner, but if I have bare naked face, then I have to carry this lipstick with something, you know, brown lip liner. But OMG, this is such a beautiful shade, and again I have a full dedicated review of this lipstick on my channel, so I will give the link in the description box, and I will also, you know, put it in the iCard so you can see that by clicking just right here. So beautiful color, love it. So yeah, I'm just gonna end this video just right here. I hope you like this video and get some sort of guidance that what you should do, what you should buy, which shade you should go for, you wanna choose, and everything. So yeah, if it helped you in any ways, give this video a thumbs up. Also let me know which shade you're gonna buy or which shade you use among this, and how much you like it or hate it, or your own opinion in the comments below. And also please let me know how I'm looking today in the comments below. Share this video with your friends and subscribe to my channel for more such beautiful videos. I will see you in my next videos. Till then, stay beautiful and keep spreading love.